Wake up to wellness. Discover 5 breakfasts that are as nutritious as they are delicious. First up, the Greek yogurt parfait. Layer protein-packed Greek yogurt with vibrant berries, crunchy nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a satisfying sweet treat. Next, revamp your oatmeal game with savory oatmeal. Top steel-cut oats with a poached egg, avocado slices, and a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning for a savory twist. Third, the green smoothie powerhouse. Blend spinach, kale, banana, protein powder, and a splash of almond milk for a nutrient-dense smoothie that will keep you energized all morning. Then, try the egg white omelet. Whip up a fluffy omelet filled with colorful veggies like bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms for a low-calorie, protein-rich breakfast. Lastly, the cottage cheese delight. Combine cottage cheese with chopped pineapple, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey for a sweet and protein-packed start to your day. These breakfast options are not only delicious but also packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients to fuel your weight loss goals. Remember, a healthy breakfast sets the tone for a successful day. So, what are you waiting for? Try these breakfast ideas and watch your weight loss journey take off.